Facebook has introduced a new feature that automatically scrolls to the next reel, so you can keep watching without swiping manually. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap on the Reels icon to go to the Reels section. Now open any reel and start watching it. On the Reels screen, tap the three-dot menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu with more options will appear. From the list, find Scroll to Next Reel automatically, and tap it to enable the feature. Once enabled, Facebook will automatically move to the next reel after the current one finishes, so you no longer need to swipe up manually while watching. This feature lets you enjoy continuous reel playback without interruption, or the need to swipe manually. You can turn this setting off at any time by following the same steps. So that's how you can enable the Scroll to Next Reel automatically feature in the Facebook app.